Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome to online class. Today we will prepare a paper boat using craft paper. You have already learned how to prepare a boat, but today we will learn something new, folding. To prepare a boat, that means we will prepare a boat using different folds. So for this you have to take one craft paper of your choice color. First step is find the center line of the paper. Fold the upper and the lower edge to the center line. First we have to find the center line. So what we will do, we will fold like this to find out the center line. See, this is the center line. Now fold the upper and lower edge to the center line. See, I am folding this lower edge to the center line and this upper layer also to the center lines. See, I fold this upper and lower edge to the center line. Now fold in a half. We have to fold in a half. See, not like this. So this open part will get outside. We have to fold like this to take the outer part inside. See, like this. Okay. Fold the left corner backward and the right corner forward. Now we have to take left corner backward. Backward means from back side. So we will fold this to the backward. See. Now the right corner forward. Forward means to the front side. See, one fold is from the right to the forward and from the left corner it is backward. See. Now the fourth step is turn both the upper flap to the outer side and crease. This both upper layer. See, 1 and 2. This both upper flap we have to outer side. To move the outer side like this. See, one flap is here and next flap is here. That means one is from forward and one is from the backward. Now like this. See. Now slide your finger in the pocket and give a shape to the boat. We have to slide our finger like this. Now our paper boat is ready. See. See, our paper boat is ready. Now what you have to do, you have to prepare this paper boat and label it as a boat in your craft book. Till then, take care and thanking you. Jazakallah.